We need to get these parabola type quadratic questions absolutely right in the SAT or on the ACT. Let's take a look. So which of the following equivalent form of the equation of the graph, this one, from which the coordinates of vertex A can be identified. You want the coordinates of this vertex A, so the x and the y value, which can be easily identified from here. Okay, let's take a look what are the different choices. But before that, let's take a look at the vertex form of a parabola. Y equals A is a coefficient that which is a parabola up or down. X minus h squared plus k. Now, if you remember, h and k is h is the x value, k is the y value of the vertex of a parabola. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and see if any of these answer choices fits what we are looking for. The first one is in the factored form, x plus 3x minus 5. So the information that you can gather from a factored form is the x-intercepts, right? X plus 3 equals 0 if you set, and x minus 5 equals 0, then you get x equals negative 3 and x equals 5. So these are the x-intercepts which are right here, but that doesn't tell us exactly anything about the vertex from this particular information. So we can go and cancel that. This one is the same as A. Again, you get the factored form, except even here, even the intercepts are not the same as this graph. They are 3 and negative 5. So that is also a wrong choice. Now let's look at C. C has an x multiplied outside of the x minus 2, which is odd because that's kind of where the coefficient should be. But if you also look at the h and the k terms here, h is 2 and the k is negative 15. So that would be 2 and negative 50. That would be around here. Okay, so that is the incorrect vertex. So very quickly we can see 2 and negative 15 is not the right vertex. Okay, so we can go ahead and cancel choice C as well. Choice D is now, of course, the correct answer. Now let's quickly see why that is the case. Let's take this form and write it below that so we can see what is what here. A, x minus h squared plus k. H is 1, the x value of the vertex. K is negative 16. So you have 1, negative 16 as the vertex. So let's go and check here real quick. So the vertex is 1, negative, and negative 16, which is from here, okay, from the k. Okay, so 1 and negative 16, that actually fits this particular vertex coordinate perfectly. So that is going to be our right choice, choice D. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.